How to purchase or activate lessons. After login, enter the main page. Click the gray Inactivate course titles to open the Purchase and Activation option page. If you have already purchased a Speedy Mandarin textbook, select the first option and scan the QR code in the textbook to activate the corresponding lessons. If the code has been purchased through the trainer or training school, select the second option and input the QR code manually. If you want to buy it online, choose the third option. After entering the purchase page, different options will appear according to the lessons you selected. The minimum unit purchase is 5 lessons. The price is 4,000 Speedy Mandarin coins, and 1 coin is equivalent to 0.01 Chinese yuan. You can also choose to buy a level, which includes 4 units and 20 lessons, with a price of 14,000 coins, or buy all lessons at one time, which includes 6 levels, 120 lessons, priced at 70,000 coins. If your balance is less than the price of the lessons you want to purchase, it will display a top-up page after clicking. And now the app supports 3 top-up methods: credit card, WeChat, and Alipay. If you're using a credit card to pay, there will be an additional $0.50 USD transaction fee, and also a 3.4% of transaction value as a service charge for the Stripe.com payment gateway. If you choose WeChat or Alipay, the service charge is only 0.6% of the amount of each transaction. After recharging, you will return to the purchase page again and click the required items to complete the purchase. Note that once the top-up is completed, it cannot be refunded. If you have coins exceeding 100,000, you can apply for withdrawal. Withdrawals can only refer to Alipay accounts. In addition to purchasing the specified lessons on the homepage, you can also select multiple levels of one-time purchase by clicking Online Purchase in the setting menu. If you have already purchased any of these levels, the bottom All Purchase options will not appear. After clicking the Buy button, if the balance is sufficient, the purchase will be completed automatically. If the balance is insufficient, it will then bring you to the top-up page. In addition to general lessons, you can also enter the industry selection page from the setting menu to purchase lessons of a specified industries. Gray indicates industries that have not been purchased. Click to display the price page. After clicking the purchase item, if the balance is sufficient, the purchase will be completed automatically. If the balance is insufficient, it will bring you to the top-up page.